How's it going, everyone? Mike here from Pinnacle Training Systems, and today for your guys' Healthy Minute video, we're going to be talking about the importance of establishing healthy habits versus following diet fads. When it comes to diet fads, one thing that they all have in common is that they can result in weight loss through one simple thing, a reduction in calories, which is something we can get just through day-to-day habits. So with fad diets, they will cut out either an entire food group, they'll shorten the time window in which you're allowed to eat, or restrict, heavily on what it is, you can have on a day-to-day basis. And by doing so, what it does is it reduces your calorie intake significantly, and that's why you'll see a weight loss, not because of some, secret magic trick that they might be telling you that they do. With lifestyle changes, we can also achieve this caloric restriction. One of the biggest things that we tend to see with people's day-to-day styles of eating is that we tend to we eat too big of portions. We have too many habits of just getting fast food, as well as snacking or grazing throughout the day, and even eating very late in the night can be a bad habit as well. When it comes to fad diets and other diet plans itself, one thing for sure is they're hard to stick to over a long period of time. It might be something that you can do for a few months, but to do it for year in and year out is very difficult to do. And what tends to happen is we fall off of those diets and we go back to our bad habits, and then it takes us back to right where we were in the starting point. That's why it's so important to establish good, healthy eating habits, so that way you can have a healthy eating style year in and year out without having to make any major changes to your diet. For the most part, most people eat a relatively healthy diet on a day-to-day basis as long as we're eating home-cooked meals. One of our biggest problems is definitely portion size. So a good habit to try to work on is maybe using smaller dinner plates, so that way you reduce the amount of food that you can put on your plate. Having correct portions in terms of having more fruits and veggies consume your plate, having smaller portions of meat, smaller portions of fat, as well as making sure we're monitoring how much carbs we do have on a day-to-day basis. We don't want to have a mountain of rice on our plate. We'd rather have one scoop of rice with a good size piece of lean meat and lots of fruits and veggies on our plate as well. Other ideas that we can try to establish on day-to-day habits is making sure that we do have a breakfast, lunch, and dinner to reduce our chances of snacking throughout the day or having one large meal with lots of calories at the very end of the day. Thank you guys for watching today. Be sure to check out your company's Google site of our links. We have lots of information there for you guys on how to improve your day-to-day habits as well as diet modifications, and always feel free to reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help you out.